Hey, this is Dr. Lau, Chief Data Scientist. I'm very excited to announce our latest project, a Data Science and
Marketing Summit, DM Summit, the first virtual summit where we're bringing you experts in data science and marketing into this summit to share with you actionable knowledge.
Now for data science, we are going to bring you experts from companies like Media Prima Digital, Touch and Go, Sig Asias, and they are data scientists, data engineers, and data analysts who will share with you their industry use cases. How do they use that to solve real-world problems like customer profiling and user recommendations?
And in marketing, we're bringing you industry experts from companies such as Imagine Group, Mind Valley, People Experience, Hawas Bidder, and a whole lot more to share with you their marketing strategies, their tactics, their mistakes, what they've done correctly, and this will be bite-sized, actionable knowledge that you can take back and use it in your startup, companies, or just to learn as an individual.
Wow, so they are B2B, B2C, and also they will share their journeys from zero knowledge to become a data scientist and a lot more. Now, Ruben, our audience, they're very excited now. How do they get onto the summit?
Now, DM Summit is an online summit, so you're going to receive a login access to get all the video recordings, the presentation slides, and also access to networking opportunities.
All right, so get your all access pass from the link below, and I will see you at the summit.
And we'll see you.